ensure coverage of all functionality. If all statements of the program are executed by a set of tests, 100% statement coverage is achieved. It means if I am able to execute all of these test cases or test suite in a test suite, single test suite, this is what this is a test suite. Under a test suite, there will be different test cases. Okay. Now, if each of the statements are being exercised, means able to execute, then the statement coverage will be 100%. We are able to execute all the statements. Aim to achieve maximum amount of statement coverage within minimum number of test cases. Means we will be able to check the entire module with less number of test cases. That should be the ideal. Now, statement coverage formula is what? Statement coverage formula is number of statement exercise. So here, how many statements we are exercising? 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? And total number of statements. So what is the total number of statements? Say for example, here each of the statement are being what is the statement? How many statements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 statements of this. 5 total statements. Okay. Statement. How many are executed? The 2 are executed. So you will have to divide this and you have to come out with a percentage, whatever it is. So, say for an example, and you also have to, I'm sorry, you also have to multiply it with 100 in order to get the percentage. Here also you will get the result, but that will not be in the percentage. So in order to convert this result into percentage, you have to multiply it with 100. Okay. So once you have to multiply it with 100, you will be able to get it in percentage. You have to check that what is the percentage that we need. If we have applied a condition here, what is the condition? It says if A is greater than B, then equal to 0. And if is nothing else, and if is here we are kind of a closing our so basically this is not programming, but we are closing our condition, the condition that we have. So if we explore this one, it says A is equal to 15. This is the number. This is the value of A. And you say if this is not a statement, why you are counting it? So guys, we are counting it because this particular logic and condition will also be executed. Then only we'll be able to get the result, which is A is equal to 0. Okay. So if says that okay, do one thing. If a user read A and read B, and then if we found that A, whatever the value, what is the value of A here? 50. If it is greater than B, which is what? 12. Yes, of course it is less than B. So C will be printing as 0, right? The solution is here. Total number 5. Statement exercise 5. All of the statements are being exercised. And if LN, therefore statement coverage is 100%. Why? Now because say for an example, there is a possibility that if say for an example, we also have to check that A is not greater than B. Then when you are including this particular statement logic condition, then it is going to this one, and if it is strictly going to the end if section. So end if section also needs to be exercised. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 statement coverage. Okay, it means that exercise how much? First it reads A, first then it reads B, then it goes for the condition, check the condition, then return C is equal to 0, and then last, which is end. So basically the statement coverage is 100%. Statement coverage, find statement coverage, read A, read B. C is equal to A plus 2 into B. C is greater than 50, then print C is maximum. So might that you have done at least once C++ or any basic language, right? So without this you won't be able to understand this. So I would like again explain. Here it is giving some different statement. Okay, understand this. Is that read A. Okay, read A, read B. Okay. If it is C, you will be only printing C. Based on what condition? A plus 2. A plus 2. It means what is the value of A? 0 plus 2. So it will be okay, into 5. It means 25. 25 into 2. What it will be, right? 25 into 2 will be 50. If C is greater than 50. No, it is not greater than 50. It is equal to 50. Then print C is maximum. Right? Or end if. So till end if it will be executed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So this is the guys how it is done. I hope you were able to understand it, you were able to get it. So thing about the decision coverage, till then practice. We'll be giving it in the assignment section. Please check it and complete it.